In this video, we will learn ways to figure out the meanings of unknown words. One way to find a word's meaning is by looking at the word's parts. Biped has two parts. Bi means two. Think of the word bicycle. It has two wheels. Ped is a root word that means feet. Think of the word pedal. It is something you push with your feet. So biped means having 2 feet. Sometimes the definition of the word is in the sentence. Raccoons are nocturnal or active at night. Nocturnal means active at night. What is the meaning of scorching? Let's use context clues in the sentence to figure out what the word means. Heat, exploding, and volcano all give clues that scorching means very hot. The word exorbitant might be unfamiliar, but the word while gives us a clue that we might find an antonym. The words free and inexpensive are the opposite of exorbitant. Exorbitant must mean expensive. One other way to figure out the meaning of a word is to look for an example in the sentence. In this sentence, the word infraction might be new to you. Here's an example that can help: arriving after the tardy bell rang. We know that it's against the rules to get to class after the tardy bell rings. So, an infraction is the breaking of a rule. Now you know several ways to figure out the meanings of words as you read. See you next time!